Well, here it is. This is faff stop number 2. Faff stop number 2, is it? There's Rev looking like a fucking ninja. There's that wanker from Yeovil. Steve, extra rider, taking a shit in the road by the look of it. And we seem to have picked up a gendarme from the Tour de France. Look out for any kamikaze women over this bridge, because it is blind. It's very nice though, look. Again, would have been nice for the drone. Ah, Travis Perkins.
Yeah, I wonder if they're open.
Don't swear in front of Nick.
Fuck me, they are open. How sad. How fucking sad.
Were they?
Yeah. Trouble is the staff. Yeah. The staff absolutely resent it. They don't see the point. Rightly so. Because all that happens is you get time wasters like Nige come in. Yeah.
I gave him an erection for a short period of time when he thought he was getting a sale.
Yeah.
I want to hear the disappointment in his voice when I was saying, nah, cancel that, mate. I've changed my mind, I think. I like the way they say, oh, if you'd consider having one on PCP, I can do you a good deal on a 30 grand RT. Only £400 and odd a month. Bargain!
Yeah.
Just what you want when you're retired. We have a tribe of walkers.
Talking of April Fools, I had a message from the boss man. This is not April Fool. I'm giving you a pay rise.
Hey?
Yeah, this is not April Fools. I'm giving you a pay rise.
Fucking hell. Oh, you can buy that new bike now, Steve.
He was sat in the sun in his villa in Greece at the time, so...
Yeah.
Clear.
I'll wait for him to sober up and see if he...
Do you think he'd been at the Zambuca?
See, it would have been such a scenic route.
Yeah.
It is a scenic route.
It still is, it's just different.
It's just wet.
Yeah.
It's a wet scenic route, minus tosser.
It's just wet and you can't see anything.
Shit in the road. Ugh, that is shit.
Excellent.
Oh, mind that shit on that bend.
Let's
Grit in
just
the
say
middle.
we acted
Grit
on
in the
it
middle.
while it was in our forefront of our
Car on
minds.
the left, and if he's coming out. Did he give me the fucking V's up then?
Well, he saw you on a GS.
Or should we go back and punch him in the face just in case? Pheasant in the road.
Pheasant in the road.
Go on, get out of it, you silly bitch. And again. Meet. Fucking roadrunner.
That'll do it.
I love her.
Oh, squirrel.
Squirrel. Oh, another squirrel. Squirrel there on the left. Good job Rolf Harris ain't here, innit? Do you know what it is yet?
Yeah, about 30 years inside. That's what the judge should have said. Could you guess what it is yet?
So is it just the one more we're picking up today, is it?
Just one what?
Oh shit on that bend there, right
Yeah,
the fucking
right in the
all
middle.
over it.
Just one more rider we're picking up today, is it?
Lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Roadkill. Deep puddle.
Yeah.
Pheasant in the road.
They don't give a fuck, do they?
No. Thick as shit. Twig in the road.
Probably going to end up with bugger all out of this day. Again.
Oh, what footage?
I just
Yeah,
record
well,
it all.
If we don't, we don't. Oh, leaves on the road right as you're leaning.
Lovely.
Look at that little
Beautiful,
view.
isn't
Look. I'd say even that is nice to put the drone fairly low and just take it up the river.
Yeah.
Ooh, take it up the river.
Is that what you said to Steve?
Crack me up though when he's in his sleep. Okay, it won't fucking start.
He was streaming
I
on
had vision.
lawnmowers, wasn't he?
Yeah, I had
Oh,
visions of him
was,
tugging
yeah.
on a string of a lawnmower.
Yeah.
It won't fucking start.
Well, I've got a van to move on Tuesday, and I was probably thinking I'd need to make sure the batteries on the tractor's charged up. At times we've got it out, and it's like, oh, fuck it, won't start.
Yeah. Yeah, a bit of rain.
I stuck the battery on one time and went home.
Pothole.
Come back the weekend, it was flat
it was
as a
a puddle,
pancake. Some fucker turned it off.
I do like a road that follows the river.
You do, sir, you do.
We said how many cars had come round there quick and just took off on that roof.
Yeah.
It is, yeah. Yeah, you just don't want to see Nige and his Daisy Dukes.
They do. You know they want to.
You didn't see him getting out of the bloody shower this morning, did you?
Oh, it ain't so bad, but when I got out and Steve goes, oh shit in the road, that reminds me I need to pick up a sack of spuds later. Don't know what that is in the road, Nick.
No. Oh, it's a Costa coffee cup.
Oh, is it? I thought it might have been a spunk-filled wank tissue.
It could have been.
At least you didn't lower the tone of the conversation that time.
Not quite.
Wouldn't want to live up there.
No. No, it's in Somerset. Of course you wouldn't. Isn't it nice with daffodils and pansies and bluebells and shit out?
Yeah, in a minute we'll go past 200 of fucking Rev Bomb's dildos on the verge.
He moans at us, Nick, and he gets all bloody plantified on us. Percy bloody throw.
Oh, I know. Fucking horticulturalist up front.
At least we were talking about real men, not pansies.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that was some red gunties hanging in the bush. It's not, as a mirror.
Disappointed.
Yeah, got all excited. I was wondering what quality of skiddies they were going to have.
See, some people collect stamps.
And then there's Nige.
Yeah.
Stegra perfectly.
It hasn't missed a beat, has it? Again.
Fuck a duck. Performing perfectly. I see skies of blue.
It's probably just as well. Steve hasn't got comms. If he was recording this, he'd never be able to put it in a video.
Oh, is this the one-legged?
I don't know.
No, he got two. She got two legs. You ain't no good. Call yourself a cyclist? I suppose he'd be known as a unicyclist, even though he had two wheels.
He would.
They'd say you've only got two. You know, you've got two wheels. Yeah, but I've only got one fucking leg.
Fuck me, there's a bit of a dry line here.
Yeah. Shut.
Yeah.
Beautiful, isn't it?
What, quite?
Stu, are you next to Steve? Tell him he's a Right, up where the old pavilion is, hopefully we can stop there. Do they do coffee here? They must do, wouldn't they?
Well, the castle coffee shop is actually shut.
You're joking?
On
What
a
the
Good
fuck is
Friday.
wrong with these people? Let's have a stop here a minute. Let's have a look. What's that? Tea and coffee. There's a tea and coffee sign over there. Is there cars behind us?
No.
Is there anywhere to stop though?
Oh, no, you ain't going to stop there.
No.
You bloody are, ain't you? He's turning round.
Yeah.
It's shut. Hang on. No, it might be open. I wonder if we can just leave it here like this.
I don't know.
I'm sure we can, can't we? I fucking resemble that remark.